Brad Williams, XL Prime. How many times does C3 show up in a sentence? Let's take a look here. We are still way before, well, here's a string. How many O's are in here? How many O's? Not zeros, O are in each sentence or in each cell. Well, here's 2. What are we going to do? We're going to take when. We're going to count up this length, and then we're going to do a little substitution here. We're going to find substitute B5 with C3. We want to put a blank in there. We're going to put a blank for any O's. We're going to go B5 minus whatever. If there is an O in there, now we're going to be minus. We're going to be fewer characters. And what's the length of B3? Is 1. Down here is an example. Here's the last part, len B3, right here, 1. Here is len substitute B3 is 45. 47 minus 45 divided by 1 gives us 2. Go to the next sentence. We got 54 characters long. That's len B6. Look over here. Len B5. B5, B6. Here is just len substitute B6 and divide by 1. We're going to have 6. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 O's. It's that straightforward. If you want to sum these up, you can just go sum C5, C8. If you don't want to do this, and you don't want to do the series here, you can take this formula right here, down here in E22, and just wrap sum product around it. Here, we got sum product. That's all we're going to do. Everything else is the same. And what's it going to do? Well, it's going to do exactly what we just did without these individual calculations. Either way, they both work. Here's the narrative. I pretty much covered it A to Z. The anatomy, take a look. If you're on shaky ground on this len stuff, I'm always on that shaky ground. Stuff drives me crazy. Just review it. Break it down. Break it down is the best approach and take it piece by piece. Brad Williams, XL Prime.